Hey Gage, this is Amber from Local Leads Co. Just wanted to send you over this really quick screencast that I promised you the other day on the phone. Just kind of going over 3 areas of growth for your business. So I'll jump right into it. It won't be too long. I have your website pulled up here. I do love the visual of your website. I love that you have photos. I think that's extremely important. It's visually appealing to the eye. One area of opportunity for you would be the amount of content that you have. This is something that Google looks at when it comes to ranking websites. So I'm not showing you have a whole lot of content, and this is pretty much just essentially the amount of words you have on your pages. I went to your top competitor. We'll go to the first one. KL Smith Incorporated, they're also in Lakeland. They don't have a whole lot of content either, so this is definitely an area of growth for you if you wanted to just get some more words on your website. And then I'm also showing another thing in regards to the kind of layout and visual appeal they have is this video here. This is something that I've actually seen a lot in the digital marketing world, where people are putting, videos as backgrounds versus just photos. This is also a quick fix that you could consider as well. I went to your second top competitor, A3 Roofing. Their website is also pretty visually appealing. They have another feature that I'm seeing a lot, which is called parallax. And this is where the words just kind of scroll over the photo. It's kind of like transparent. Also something to consider as well. But they too, they don't have a lot of content. So again, you should have no problem at all, getting some more words on your website and ranking higher in that way. Another area that Google looks at is kind of the back end of your website. So we use this tool called Ahrefs. It shows you the ins and out of a website and kind of where it's at in the ranking and things of that nature. So the first thing that we look at is what's called UR and DR. UR is essentially the amount of power that your website has and influence that your website has. So not a whole lot. And then DR is the amount of trust that your website has, which is just as important, if not more important, than power. What gets you good trust and a lot of power is backlinks. So what backlinks are pretty much links that are referring back to your website. It looks like you have 3 backlinks. When I go to your top competitor, KL Smith, they have 111. Looks like their power is about 16 and their trust is about 6. So again, they really don't have much more than you. So that's certainly an area of opportunity. And then your third competitor, A3 Roofing, they have a lot more power, but they don't have a lot of trust. So power is good, but trust is just, like I said, just as important. They also have quite a bit of backlinks. And although backlinks are very good as well, it's important to have good, trustworthy links that are referring back to your website. You don't want spammy links coming back to your website, because then brings your trust down and in turn doesn't allow your website to rank. So that's the second area. And then the third and last area that I want to look at with you is what's called citations. And this is pretty much bursts of your website and your address, your website address and phone number all over the internet, whether that be Facebook, Instagram, like you see here. Of course, the more citations you have, the better, because your website is in more areas of the internet. So it looks like you have 13 citations. Your top competitor has 39, and then your second competitor has 28. So they really don't have much more. This is certainly an area of growth for you as well. Again, just getting your name and address out there. So more people know about you, and in turn more people are coming back to your website. So that's really all I wanted to go over with you. If you have any questions or want to talk further, please feel free to give me a call. My phone number is below this email. I would love to set up, a time to talk with you and kind of go through your goals and what you're looking for your business. So feel free to reach back out to me. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you have a good day.